Let's do a makeup look. I don't have anywhere I have to be today. If this doesn't work out, it'll be okay, right? Blood orange and black raspberry flavored mineral water. Pellegrino. Has, I'm assuming it has zero calories, zero sweeteners. All right, let's begin. I think today I'm going to just, actually I liked my foundation look yesterday. But first I'm going to put some, I like the whole thing, so I'm going to do exactly what I did yesterday. I put on this serum from BareMinerals. There's my nails today. What is the theme? Whimsical summertime. This is the SkinLongevity, is that what it's called? Yeah. Serum from BareMinerals. Concentrated up here. Put it on my wattle. All right, now let's do eyes. I'm going to take the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer and use it as my eyeshadow primer. I'm going to take a Real Techniques domed shadow brush to work it in. So I don't know whether I got it out or not. I was thinking it in my head, but I'm not sure I said it. I want to do a tame look with Jaclyn Hill's Volume 2 palette. I'm going to get it underneath too. All right, this is the palette I'm talking about. The Volume 2, this one. And I'm going to use the tame colors in this palette. That doesn't sound very fun. That's all right. You'll have fun anyway. I'm going to begin with Love Handles. See, what did we watch last night on TV? Oh, the new season of Hannah. Did y'all watch the first season of that? It's got some of the same actors that were in The Killing, which I thoroughly enjoyed. If you haven't seen that one, you need to see that one. The Killing. And yeah, watch all of those and then watch Hannah. There's 2 seasons now. And this color that I'm using now is Love Handles. There we go. The next one is Comfort Zone. So let's see, what else did we do? I think we went to bed pretty early. Probably 9-ish. I don't know if there were any fireworks. I wear earplugs and I run a air purifier. The air purifier is not for purifying. I mean, maybe it does purify. I don't know whether it does or not. I run it for white noise. All right. That was Comfort Zone. And now I'm going to take Thick Skin and run it even lower. I guess this is going to be a warm look, right? And then I'm going to take a clean brush. What do I want on my lid? Ooh, Drama Queen. Okay, that's not working very well with my finger. I'm going to try it with a damp brush. Take my MAC Fix Plus and see if I can hit the brush with it. And this color is called Drama Queen. It's okay. Then I'm going to take I'm In It. Put it on the center of my eyelid. Then I'm going to take one of her brushes. This is her 39. I'm going to take Temptress, which is the black. There goes the same naked man that went by the other day. And And then I'm gonna take the brush that I was using, the crease colors. I'm just trying to add depth to that outside corner. I'm going to take some of the thick skin on my brush to blend that. What shall I put on the inside corner? Something bright. I'm going to take Tipsy Girl. Yeah, this was supposed to be a tame look, right? And now I'm going to take my fluffy brush and I'm going to take thick skin again and blend that outside corner just for some extra dimension. I'm going to go back with that I'm in it, and then some Drama Queen. I'm going to take a clean brush. I'm going to take some more love handles. All right, let's do some liner. I'm going to take my Tom Ford eye defining pen. I'm trying to decide which side is the shortest that I can control better. Okay, I have my eyebrows on, and now looking, I see that they're not equidistant. Let's just draw a few more on this side. There we go. Now they're somewhat equal. There we go. All right, now let's do a highlight under the brow bone. I'm missing my little cloth that I use to do this, to wipe my brushes off. I washed it this morning. It's still in the laundry basket. There, it's a little more the same. All right, let's do the Paradise L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Primer. There we go. And here's the little brush I was wondering about the other day, where it had gotten to. Turns out nobody stole it. It was here all along. All right, let's do some lashes. I'm going to use my Badass Mascara. My intentions are to get it down at the base of the lash and pull it through so that they'll be nice and divided. All right, let's do foundation. I'm gonna mix the Mer Renewal Oil, the Tom Ford Traceless, I'm going to shake up I'll go ahead in with this first. Before it runs off my hands. I switched up brushes. Last time I did this, I used my 3D HD. This time I'm using my Bdellium. This is the Natasha Denona X Plus Full Coverage Fruit Complex. And I'm going to give it a good shake because I figure if it has shaker beads in it, they intend for you to shake it. Alright, so let's do some of this. I'm going to put this in my brush. It's got a lot more color, doesn't it? I just ordered this blindly off of the website. I was hoping it was good. It does match my body better than the Tom Ford does. Alright, and I wanted to play with the MAC Strobe Cream today. So I'm going to put that up here on my high cheekbone. Between my eyes. Down the center of my nose. There go the chilies to the pool. And the adults. I'm going to go in with the BareMinerals now. I know. I have let's try this brush. I have a kabuki brush, I just don't know where it is. Let's try this one. This one's large powder, F20. I didn't glue my lashes yet. I mean my eyebrows yet. I'll get that in a minute. Okay. Let's go ahead and glue the eyebrows. So I'm going to take the Sigma brow gel, clear brow gel that doesn't have any staying power. And I'm going to add some Lush Karma soap to it. It never fails. After I put my brow gel in, I have to go back with the pencil. There's always a spot, you know? Like this one right here. There we go. Let's do some bronzer. Let's use the BareMinerals today. The Invisible Bronze, dark to deep. I'm going to use my Real Technique blush brush. There we go. Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. My F64 brush, Soft Blend Concealer from Sigma. Alright, what else do we want to do? Oh yeah, we need blush. Let's change it up completely. We're going to use Stay True. It's an eyeshadow from Jaclyn Hill. We're going to use that as our blush today. Then I'm going to take my powder brush and bring it down. Then we need some more mascara. All right, let's do some highlight. What will our highlight be? My highlight today is the eyeshadow Last Dance. It's a Dazzle shadow from MAC. That's my highlight. My lipstick is going to be this is Creme de Nude. And this is Edge to Edge. And Inner Rim highlight. This is Thrive Stella. I enjoyed doing this look with you today. I hope you enjoyed it too. I guess the point of this look today was to show you that you could do a tame look with the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I'm still loving using 3 foundations, the Natasha, Denona, the Tom Ford, and the BareMinerals. Y'all have a great day. I look forward to the conversation in the comments, and I'll see you again tomorrow night.